Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys redmi mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys redmi mobile guys lock screen password setup setting. How to set up lock screen password in redmi mobile. Friends, you want to set up redmi mobile lock screen password. So how to set lock screen password one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So friends, without waste time, open your phone setting to set up lock screen password. After phone setting, friends, scroll it and friends you can see this type interface in your device. So friends, click here password setting. After password setting, friends, click here screen lock. After screen lock, select your screen lock type, password, pin and pattern lock. Friends, I will use pin lock. And remember your screen lock password. If you forget, you will have to erase all data on your device. Friends, remember your password. If you do mistake, you will have to erase all data. And when enter your password, friends, you can use 4 to 16 digit password. And friends, click here. First of all, guys, check your password. Next, OK option, and guys, password will set on lock screen. You want to add fingerprint, click here. You can add fingerprint lock. Friends, lock your screen. And friends, you want to unlock your Redmi mobile. So friends, swipe here and friends, enter your 4-digit pin and you can unlock your Redmi mobile. So like that friends, you can set lock screen password, and friends you want to change Redmi mobile phone lock screen password. So friends, again open your phone setting, password security setting, and friends click a screen lock, enter 4-digit pin. Next, change password type. Friends, I will use password. Again friends, you can see notification, remember your lock screen password. If you forget, you will have to erase all data, photos, videos, everything will delete in your device. And friends, click here first of all and friends enter your password. So friends, I will use 1 2 3 4 A B C D. Next, same password friends, again enter 1 2 3 4 A B C D. OK option, and friends you can check lock screen password change. Friends, pin lock will not show here. Enter your name, password, A B C D. Next, phone unlock. So like that friends, you can change lock screen password, and friends you don't want to use password on lock screen, so you can turn off lock screen password. Enter your device password. After enter password, friends, next option and turn off screen lock. And friends, your screen lock will off, and friends you cannot use Redmi mobile lock screen password setting. Friends, there is no any password, there is no any pin lock. Swipe here, you can unlock your phone. So like that friends, we can set up lock screen password in Redmi mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.